Hey guys. So I got y'all. I got y'all. I got you. I got you. I got you. So I just wanted to say that you guys have to not sleep on Dollar General. That's all I'm saying. Don't sleep on them. Don't sleep on them.
Hey guys, how you living life, loves? How you living life, loves? So I am back. She's back. Hey, she's back. I'm back at Dollar General, and you guys, I'm looking out for y'all. Okay, I got you. Like I said, I'm looking out for you. So these are the newest of the finds, of the Winter Wonderland finds. I don't know. We have fall finds, you guys. So what do we say for winter? Winter wonders. I kind of like that. I'm using it. Don't steal it. So getting right into it. Look at that 350. 350. I get super excited. So when you watch my channel, know that I'm gonna get you super excited too, because I get super excited over like cutesy things that are affordable. And I, like you probably are, I love the hobby of the lobby. Okay, I love it. But sometimes if it ain't on Chel, honey, you can't get it. And look at that. Look at that price. Look at that price. Is that not cute? And that's for your cookbook. You put your cookbook and your recipes on there. How cool is that? And they got it in different colors. But like I was saying, sometimes there are things that I love at the hobbyist of the lobbyist, but I can't afford it unless it goes on saleist. I'm gonna keep saying S to everything. Isn't that cute for your kid to watch your kid grow up? How cute is that? That is super cute to put in their room, and they've got it in those different colors. But I wanted to say that, Dollar General, these things are just the regular price. Like, that's the thing that's really cool. And look at these leggings. Y'all, I was so tempted to get some. I did not get some, but I can tell you the fabric was so soft. You have to whisper it. It was so soft. And those floral ones, I might have to go back and get me some. And hopefully they might have some in my size still. But I mean, I'm looking at like that, what I just showed you guys. I mean, so affordable. And they've got rugs of all kinds, and to that boring looking one to a really cute one. These baskets here, I mean, oh my gosh. And it was a whole set. Now, they were not together. You could buy them separately, just to let you know. Just like these bins that are these beach colors. So this is the whole theme of this video, is the beach theme. And I have to say, I love it. I decided after going here and seeing all of this beach theme stuff to redo my bathroom in beach theme. I had it before, and so I decided to, you know what? Let's go back and revisit that. So that's what's going down. These baskets are super cute. Are they not? Like the nautical type. Look at that. The nautical type rope and everything. I'm loving what Dollar General is doing this season. And, spring is coming, and how cool for spring and for summer, honestly, is this nautical, like beachy type theme. So we're going to get right into it. The color scheme seems to be the aqua, the mints, you got your corals, you got your navies, you got your blues and whites. And just look at that. It is so perfect. And the prices you cannot beat. That doorstop is super cute, by the way. And yes, comment below how many times I say super cute in this video. I'm going to start giving out some prizes and some gifts, you guys. So comment down below. And look at this. Look at this little wall hanging. How cute is that? I said cute again. And it's only $5. It's only $5. The welcome sign. I mean, and then they had this other, like they had the beach theme, and in with the beach theme were these coral colors as well. Look at that anchor. I mean, where are they doing that? Like, how cute is that? And I know I keep saying, oh, it looks like Hobby Lobby or blah, 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 but it really does. And nobody would ever suspect $4, $6 price point, $10, $5 for that. Anywhere else, you're going to pay a lot more money. And I also like that they had like the cactus type theme as well. So, and this, look at how pretty that is for $4. I mean, just amazingness. And you could do some DIYs with these. Now, I did pick up the M that's here, and because it was only $1, and I like picking up my initials, so my monogram or whatever you want to call it. So I did get the M. At first, I was gonna get M, S, B, but then I was like, ain't nobody got time for all that. So I decided to go ahead and just get the M, and I'm probably gonna put it in my room. But I believe they did have the whole MSB. Those are my initials. Yep, they did. Just saw that. So, but yeah, they look at that. Welcome to our home. I mean, how pretty is that? And super cute, super affordable at $5. So, if this is something that you're interested in, like the nautical theme, definitely. And they have it all together. Look at how it's all together. And look at those. Really, really cute. These were really thick turtles. Really thick, really great quality. And those were $4. Yep, totally worth it. Home Sweet Home. It's a shore thing. Now, I picked that up. That was only $2, I believe. So I picked that sign up, and I did purchase that for my bathroom. Yep, $2. So, just amazingness. And it's got a little, see the starfish. How cute was that? So I had to have it, and it was the last one, if I remember correctly. These were, I think, only $1. Let's see. Yep, only $1. And then the ones that are more elaborate or longer or thicker or whatever, those were a little bit more. But I believe that all of these were $1. And like I said, you can't beat the price point. That was super cute too. I wanted that. I wanted to take that home. And you put that in your bathroom, and you can put it on the back of your toilet or wherever. Get you some wall shelves. They also have wall shelves here at Dollar General, and they're like $5, so you can get you some wall shelves and set some stuff on there too. And then these signs for $3 were just everything. Big seashell. I don't know if I couldn't remember it's probably like $4 or $5 though. And as you can see, some of the stuff, like you guys know, I'm a lover of Dollar Tree, and so I will go to Dollar Tree and see what they have in the way of beach theme. But honestly, I checked out a Dollar Tree since filming this, and they did not have their beach stuff up yet. So not sure what's going on. Maybe just because it's right after Valentine's Day. So I'll check again for you. But I even like how they had everything like color coordinated in this section. Everything was beach. I mean, even the beach towels and I mean, how cool is that? So, and I didn't get a towel, but I was really wanting to. And then they've got the matching bath towels that you can also get for either decorative purposes or just if you want to get some beachy bath towels, some nautical bath towels to put in your bathroom for guests or whatever. These little signs were also adorable, and then they even had like the welcome mat in the same kind of colors, so they really outdid themselves. Those ships are everything. And this, I was like, oh, wait a second, how did I miss that? That is only $6, and I mean, seriously, like, does that not look like Hobby Lobby? Come on now. I know I'm not the only one to be thinking these things, y'all. Don't make me feel like I'm the only one that thinks these things. Comment below if this looks like Hobby Lobby to y'all. Like, look at the pillows. Look at the pillows. In that same nautical theme. So you could even do your living room in these colors. I mean, it's all home decor with this beach nautical theme. Look at that. That's a tray. How cool is that? And I know that, I can't think. Catherine from Do It on a Dime, I think, was saying about making trays to put on your stove. That one's already ready-made that can go on there. together is our favorite place. But I love how Dollar General has just kind of put all these things together. And like I said, this whole there's this cactus slash I don't know what you would call it theme right here as well in the same section. And they even had candles that were beachy, you know. I think the mint with the light coral colors, I think that's just like relaxation. And so that's why they can kind of group those together in the same section, because it's like, look at it, it's breathe, hello. Yes. But it's very relaxing. So they put that in the same section. Here is a shower curtain, and it was cute. It was plastic though, or was that the plastic one? No, that's the cloth one. Yeah. So they had that in the same section. That one I thought was really cute. I liked it because it was cloth and it's white, and I like the little shabby chicness of it all. And then right next to it, they have this plastic one, but it's in like beach colors, and it goes along with the color scheme. So there's that. Now these were on the side of that section at the end of the aisle, and I was blown away. Look at this, you guys. How cool is that? Sponge holder for your kitchen. So this is all like the kitchen-y stuff, and that's a sponge holder. Then they've got the drying mats, and they were the same like nautical beach type theme for $1. I mean, you can't beat that. And then they had dishcloths, and it was 2 in a pack for $1. You can't beat the prices. So they had all these kitchen, nautical, and beach themed things. You know, these are kind of generic-y. I mean, they're cute enough because they're just going in your kitchen to go with your theme. That one's really cute. I think that's my favorite. There's no place like the beach. That's my favorite. But the rest of them were kind of generic. Look at me dropping stuff. And then these kind of were like tea towels. I like these better. These look a little more high class. Again, these are generic oven mitts that kind of match the towels and everything. Same theme. I mean, for $1, you can't beat the price. Come on, you know? So, and then they had these mugs. This one is my favorite. Crabby in the morning. Super duper cute. This one is also cute. Not as cute, but still cute for that nautical theme. And yeah, that's about it.
Excuse the stuff in my hands that I'm buying. But y'all, I had to show y'all these. I legit just smell this. Like, the throw is huge already off of this, and it's not even lit. I can't see how many wicks it has. Oh my gosh, y'all. And then this one, they're called Cozy Place with a K. This is what they look like. Whoa. Like, and what's this? So it's a whole little line of stuff. And this one is fresh lavender and cotton. It is air and fabric refresher. What? Yeah, but they have, and they match the candles. There's another one. Oh my gosh. Fresh lavender and cotton. This, it smells like heaven. That's what it smells like. It smells like heaven. Y'all, hold on, let me show y'all what else they.
Where are they doing that? And they have one, the plug-in scents. Let me tell y'all some prices. So the candles, I don't see where the price is at. Y'all gonna be crazy with the prices. I don't even see. All right, y'all, you see that you don't see prices either. Is that on all the candles? I don't know where you find the prices, but they have, yeah, they're not on there either. But they've got the warmers, they've got the scents, and oh, grapefruit and sweet orange. I didn't see that up there. This is peony petals and magnolia, which is my favorite flower. Passion fruit and hibiscus. Oh, I didn't even realize this was different, did I? No. Oh, y'all, the passion fruit and hibiscus. And then they have these, which are these like the little candles that you melt? Yeah, I think that's what they are.
So they have room filling fragrance. Yeah. And then they've got the spray fragrance. And then are these candles? Oh, they are. They're smaller sets. And they're double vanilla, bliss, and orchid. I just smelled it. It's bomb. I just smelled it. Y'all, check this out. Cozy Place brand. Go get you some. Guys, I just happened upon these. They're in a different section. They're back where the drink section is. So I don't know, but some monogram stuff. These are 8. These are 3. Monogrammed 3. And then they even have monogram candles. Where are they doing that? What? So this is a 2-wick. Okay. They smell good. They smell fresh. And there's some pillows too, monogrammed. So yeah, check this section out. There's another one. Check this section out, you guys. And that monogrammed, no way, spatula. I love these. These are my favorite to cook with, like everything. And these are only $1 too. So there you go.
Hey guys, I hope you love this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below what stores you'd like to see me tour. God loves you, and I do too.